In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to Google AdSense so you can receive your payments directly into your bank without any delays. This is an essential step for every creator who wants a smooth and reliable payout process, and it only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is located. Let's walk through the entire setup together. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Google AdSense website. You can type Google AdSense into the search bar or head straight to the official link by entering adsense.google.com. Once the page loads, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. Click it and log in using the Google account connected to your AdSense profile. After signing in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard, which is the main control center for your earnings, sites, and payment settings. On the left side of the dashboard, look for the Payments section. This is where AdSense stores everything related to how you get paid. Click on Payments to open it. Inside this section, you'll find your earnings summary, your previous transaction history, and most importantly, your payment setup options. What you want to click next is Payment Info. This will take you to the area where you can add, edit, or update your payment methods. Once you're on the Payment Info page, look for the option labeled Payment Account or Add Payment Method, depending on what shows for your region. Clicking this will open the form where you'll enter your bank details. AdSense will guide you through each field, including your full name as it appears on your bank records, your bank account number, and any other required identification details specific to your country. Enter everything carefully to avoid issues with verification later. After submitting your bank information, Google may send a small test deposit to your account. This step helps confirm that you are the owner of the bank account you entered. Keep an eye on your bank transactions over the next few days. Once you see the small deposit, return to your AdSense account and enter the exact amount you received. This completes the verification and links your bank successfully. With verification done, your account is now ready to receive payments. From this point on, whenever you reach AdSense's minimum payout threshold, your earnings will automatically be transferred straight to your bank without you needing to take any extra steps. This makes the entire process smooth, reliable, and fully automated. It's a good idea to check your payment settings every once in a while to ensure your bank details remain accurate, especially if you change banks or update your account in the future. Keeping everything current helps prevent payment delays and ensures you never miss a payout. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you link your bank account with confidence. If you found the tutorial useful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy walkthroughs and helpful creator tips.